welcome back everyone. Still on the sill on the Mini. Yeah, I have been doing some other bits. I've just been unbolting all of the engine, ready to get that out, which I haven't been filming that, but yeah, I need to put the outer sill on now. You can see I've demasked it all, and it's all got weld through primer all where it needs it. So yeah, I need to get that fitted on here now. So yeah, get it all clamped in place, and then I'll run the spot welder across the top lip, and then get on my back and start plug welding all of the bottom. And once that's on, then I can cut a bit more out of the front there and get all of that inner wing repaired. Yeah, cool. Right, so that's all spotted all the way along there now. No way where you can see. There's loads more in there than what I need, but just to be sure, I've got the first bit up, wedged up, ready to plug weld. I'll just work my way along. Yeah, plug it all in and seam weld down the back here. Job be a good one. all the plug welds done under there now. Some are better than others, but it's never easy doing it from underneath. So yeah, be all good. They're all nice and strong anyway. They just all need linishing back now, cleaning up. Yeah, it's all good and strong now. So I've seen welded that down the back there. A bit warpy there. That's alright. That's fine. By the time it's all cleaned up, seam sealed, yeah, absolutely fine. Right, yeah, so the next bit then, get all this cleaned up. I'm not going to film that because I've already ruined one lens on this camera. So I think that's what it was. So yeah, I'll get all that cleaned up and then I'll be back. Right, so I linished all of that lot back ages ago, to be honest, because I've been doing some other stuff which I'll show you in a minute. Which, as usual, everything's grown arms and legs. But yeah, that's all fitted on there nice now. That's all nice and strong, which is just as well because I have just started cutting it all out in here. Right, well, I knew that there was like a little piece over in there that had been welded in before, but it like went onto that strengthening plate, and then when I started digging around it, it started to split all the way along sort of where this bend is in the table. The table's actually not too bad. I've got to repair the end of it there, the same as the other side, but I need to cut that plate off because I don't know how well you can see, probably not very, but where that plate's been welded over the top, it's now ruined that as well, so I can't leave that like that. So I'm going to drill the spot welds out and cut it off, hack it off, get it off, however, cut a new plate to go on there, and then yeah, and then make a piece for the front of the floor pan. I probably should have just bloody bought a floor pan for this, but hey ho, not a worry. I'm not going to buy one now. I've got the roof off of the black one, so I've got plenty of steel. I've got some thicker stuff to do that strengthening plate, and then I'll use a bit of that roof to repair the floor, which might be quite handy because the corners have actually got a bit of a curve in them. There's a bit of a curve up in there, so hopefully that might aid getting the shape of it right. But yeah, I need to cut that out first, but I'm about done for the day. I've been cleaning this up for absolutely ages. So right, yeah, so thanks for watching, and what will we be doing next time? Probably getting that floor welded in and then carry on with this. I've been cutting this out as well, so all this needs all cleaning up yet and treating, but it's actually not too bad apart from that surround. Oh yeah, and I popped the windscreen out as well, so I have to throw a cover over it now just in case. But yeah, this was proper filled up, this bit, but we can fix it. Right, once again, thanks for watching. Catch you all next time. Cheers.